Welcome to the instruction manual on the Multiple Group Share Assistant, the tool that lets you share to multiple groups seamlessly and effortlessly. So as you're probably already aware, when you click the share button on Facebook, you can only share to one group at a time at best. But with this Chrome extension installed, you're going to be able to select all groups or create group presets that you can then apply. But before we get to that, you're probably here because you're seeing this screen. If you're seeing this screen, it means that you need to follow these steps. The steps are to find the share button, click the group, and now you can start using the Chrome extension. Let me show you exactly what I mean. You find the post you want to share. For example, let's say I wanted to share this post. Click the share button, then click the group button, which basically means you're going to share to those groups. Now you will see all of these buttons here and you can start using the Chrome extension. You actually don't ever have to click on the Chrome extension itself. You can literally do everything, more or less everything you want from this layout here. For example, if I wanted to select all of my marketing groups, I could go and click load all to load all of my groups entirely. After they've completely loaded, I can start selecting them one by one. Now be very careful to only click inside the boxes, because if you click outside the boxes, it will click on the group. So let me just, for this example, select these 10 marketing groups. Now to share in these groups, I click on share to 10 selected groups. Now I can see the 10 groups that I want to share in. Now I type the post content here. For those of you who don't know what post content is, let me just show you. Post content is the text that goes inside this box here. When you share a post, let's say this is your post, the content that goes here, right above the post, is the post content. Now, you can type something like, guys, check this out, and then click share now. When I click share now, it will actually start sharing one by one to these groups exactly like a human would. That way it will keep your account safe. This Chrome extension will keep your account safe because it mimics human behavior. It doesn't spam. Now, as we've done all of this, there's two things I can recommend at this point. One of them is to save this list of groups as a group list preset. The reason why I recommend doing this is because if you do this, you will never have to select these groups again, meaning these groups will be remembered as a group preset. So let's just do that right now. My 10 marketing groups, and then click save preset. So now as you can see, I've saved it. And also, if you really invest a lot of time in these posts over here, the text over here, then you can also save this text here as a post template, so you won't have to type this out again, but rather next time you'll be able to just apply it. So let's do that as well. Check this out, template, for example. And there we go. So now we've created a post template and a group list preset. This will just save us time for later. But for those of you who are ready to share at this point, you can click share now, and then it will start sharing one post at a time. So I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to actually share to these groups. And now that we've finished this tutorial, I really want to show you since we've now created presets, I just want to show you how much more easy it is to now share to other groups. So when you click on group, and then you click on, let's say, group presets over here, and this is where you can find the group presets that you have made in the past. So as you can see, I have my 10 marketing groups. This is the one we made together. Click on apply preset, and what you're going to see, it's going to literally load all the groups, and it's going to then select the 10 groups that are in the marketing groups that we originally chose earlier. Perfect. So now the 10 groups have been selected, so I don't ever have to find them again, and I can apply a post template. Let's find the one we made recently. Check out this. And there we go. So it saved me a lot of time on looking for the groups and perhaps even typing this kind of post content. See, I have templates for all of the different software that I create and sell from Solations, and therefore it saves me time on rewriting it every time. Thank you for watching this instruction manual. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe to never miss any of these time-saving tools for business owners, marketers. We release about a tool every month or sometimes even every 2 weeks. See you in the next one.